Hello everyone and welcome to Infinite Microsoft Clarity. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up this app. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have signed up in Microsoft Clarity. You can see I have already made my account here. Now what you have to do is click on settings, and then from here you have to copy your project ID. Come back to the app and you have to paste your project ID over here in this box and click on save. Now you have to select custom events, click on copy and then on customer events. Here what you have to do is create your custom pixel. Write your pixel name here. You can see I am writing my pixel name here. After writing the name, you have to click on add pixel. Now you have to click on permission and select not required from here. After that you have to replace this code with the copied one. After this you have to click on save, and after that you have to click on connect. Now this step is completed and you can close this tab. Coming back to the app, here you will see a warning in yellow box. To remove it you have to click on activate extension. Here you have to enable your app in theme editor. Click on save. Now come back to the app, refresh the page, and you will see the banner will get disappear from here. You can see the banner is removed from here. Now you are 100% done with your Microsoft Clarity setup, and after completing its setup you have to check whether it's working perfectly or not, and for that you have to perform some activities. But keep in mind you will have to wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will be able to see all the performed activities in your Microsoft Clarity dashboard. You can see here you will see all recordings. You can see there is already one recording, but it's of my previous account's data. You can see this recording here. Here you will see all heat maps, here recordings, and this is the Microsoft Clarity dashboard as I told you. So this was all about Microsoft Clarity dashboard. I hope after watching this video you will have a clear understanding of how to set up this app and how it will help you in data analysis and making marketing strategies. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video.